Hi everyone! We just done installed upgrade the exhaust system of this 2023 Lexus Is350. On the mid pipe, we're using the Apex, while the axle back, we're using the BORLA combination. This is installed already all the way to the back. As you can see, Apex Weld logo. Very nice. Okay. We'll do a sound check right now. Please rev, boss. Solid sound. One more time. Perfect. Turn off, boss. Get your premium original aftermarket exhaust for all your car needs here at PRS. Thank you very much, boss. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.